High-stakes decision from the nation's highest court could reshape the admissions process for colleges and universities nationwide. News Channel 8's Lenny Sue Paul is joining us live tonight in Tampa. And Lenny, a Supreme Court decision about student loans is also on the table.
Exactly, Keith. More than 40 million Americans will soon find out if they'll get a break on a hefty portion of their federal student loan. And we're also hearing more concern about affirmative action and what that could mean for college campuses and diversity. A critical decision from the nation's highest court could have wide-sweeping implications on higher education, specifically affirmative action and whether schools can consider someone's race to foster diversity and equity in college admissions.
The state of Florida is really a cautionary tale in some ways. So while Florida banned affirmative action as it relates to college admissions 2 decades ago, what we see is that it had an impact on student enrollment.
Dr. Elizabeth Horge Freeman is the Associate Professor of Sociology at the University of South Florida and the former interim VP of Institutional Equity. An eyewitness to the long-lasting implications after Florida banned affirmative action at public universities more than 20 years ago.
At a number of our state universities, Black student enrollment has declined steadily over the past decades.
Another decision is looming if President Joe Biden's student loan forgiveness program should erase up to $20,000 in student loan debt for more than 40 million Americans.
They're going to pull their communities forward.
Christine Sylvain is the executive director of Path to College, ensuring low-income students graduate from the college of their choice debt-free.
We really have to keep eyes on the prize. This is about increasing earning potential in communities of disadvantage through education. And so any policy that negates that is very worrisome.
But opinions are mixed. This month, the Pew Research Center releasing new numbers showing half of Americans disapprove of affirmative action. Some schools have bolstered recruitment and expanded financial aid to enhance diversity, but others worry it's not enough.
The fear is what's going to happen next. What else will be rolled back?
And so the next round of rulings very much anticipated. They are expected to come down this Thursday at 10 a.m. Reporting live in Tampa tonight, Lenny Sue Paul, 8 on your side.